Hello, good morning. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. Today is Friday I don't know what day it is. Friday, October 12th. We are in New York City. Jessica's here. Crystal's here. James went out last night and did not come back. So we don't know where he is right now. But I just finished getting ready. We're going to leave probably soon-ish. But yeah, we're here. This is like the worst intro clip ever. We're in New York for genbeauty. But I'm still in my pajamas. So you can do my intro. Hey.
Crystal's getting. Oh no! I thought you were gonna do your intro clip too.
Can we all do it together?
Okay.
Look how pretty it is outside, though. The sun is out.
I don't know why you were talking shit about New York's sun.
Yeah, New York's cute.
Yeah.
This is my makeup for the day.
She's so good at vlogging.
I'm so good at vlogging. It's just like, how does she do it? Anyways, I'm gonna go comb my hair because it's. I look homeless right now and I'm really tired. I woke up this morning to take my quiz for my business class and then Jessica woke up. She literally slept like 2 hours and then woke up to do her makeup. Like, that's dedication. I don't know how she's alive. Every time we go to any event or like genbeauty or whatever, she always sleeps like 2 seconds.
No, but the thing is, it's so sad because my meeting got canceled too. The one that's super early. So I
would have just gone back to sleep. Just sleep. I sleep on my back because I'm a psychopath. Okay, I'm gonna go do my hair and then we will see you guys later when we leave the hotel room. Look at, this is the smallest room I've like literally ever seen, but it's so cute.
Oh wait, you're starting your vlog. Oh well, I started my vlog yesterday. Do I look like a director?
With your little tripod?
Sitting here on James's suitcase.
Okay, so we are in the cab, or not the cab. Wow, such a New Yorker. I'm a local. Can you tell? We're going to Soho. We're gonna get food. Jessica has to go to meetings, so we're gonna eat without her. It's cold.
No, it's not.
It is cold.
You literally just said it's mental.
That's because I'm trying to like convince myself and you.
Remember? Cold. Oh my gosh. Wait.
I always say it's mental.
Did you come to the Griffith Observatory with us?
No.
Oh no. Never mind.
That wasn't me.
We went and then it was literally freezing and I was like, guys, just pretend it's hot. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so hot. It was literally like, we were like shivering. I was like, just imagine that it's hot and then it'll be hot.
I don't remember that. We're inside Trader Joe's right now, but we're doing a quick change for shoes because we just realized we have to walk hella far. Oh my god, what's happening right now? We are now at CBK. Comes to New York City and eats at California Pizza Kitchen. We are back in our hotel room and we just did an unboxing of all of the like makeup. Unboxing. Not really, like kind of unboxing. This is basically what's happening. Yeah, I just took everything out. Why are you on the floor?
Because she wants a blanket, so I won't go.
She won't move. It's my jacket.
But there's all the makeup that we unboxed and all like.
That's like 1/16 of it.
I feel like the New York one's better than the SF one. Yeah, but they had this one had full size for like Orbe and the Belief. Yeah, they had the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. There was like a lot of good shit.
I believe I can fly.
Guys, what's the plan? Like, what are we doing?
Oh my gosh.
You love how there's now people want to refer to the plan.
Yeah, I'm a J.
I mean, I look so cool with this jacket, dude. I can't get over it.
It's not even a jacket. I'm on the floor because so I doesn't want to move.
I told you can land.
Every time one of us walks, the rest remember too.
Jess, can you now? Jess!
I don't even have a tripod anymore.
What are you vlogging about? Jessica!
No, because I forget to say it all the time, so I just... High five.
Ew. Have you seen that photo where they're like holding hands? Like with their toes?
No. Do nothing together, right?
Like this one?
Nope, I saw, what was it? Jason, right? One of the J-Rod twins. Did the little heart thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No free feet pics.
I think she looks so expensive.
It's this fur
There's a lot
blanket.
of money
It's just
on you right now, dude. Like
This is trash. It's worth nothing.
like my life.
Can I have a pillow at least?
No.
yeah, why are you on the floor? And you like the pressure.
My camera, please. I want to feel. I don't have enough footage for today. All I did was walk.
All we did today, I don't think I've like talked to you guys for a while.
Who's you guys? Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to
Fans.
my audience.
The viewers?
You guys.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is so welcome.
Family.
Yeah, I don't think it's either.
So, what do we do today? We literally, first Jessica had meetings, so we went to Soho and we took a lot of photos. And then... Anyway, we got, we almost ate at a Vietnamese restaurant. Like, we sat down, but then we realized Jessica had to go to her next meeting. So we got up and we left. And then...
I'm doing the Sierra Burgess thing.
Wait, what restaurant?
It was like a bougie Vietnamese cafe. It was really weird.
The one I went to?
So then Jessica went to her meeting, and then we went to CPK, as you guys saw. So we got California Pizza Kitchen in New York City. Afterwards...
Half minute late.
No, so she can edit it. She's just gonna catch up on the edit.
Oh wait, is she mouthing?
Yeah.
Ah, I hate this.
Vlogging? Yeah, same. All of us.
I like vlogging. My name is Jessica, and I eat farts for breakfast.
It's like Sierra Burgess. Wait, did you watch that movie?
That movie fucking sucked.
Yeah.
It was like homophobic, transphobic,
Ableist.
yeah, it was like a lot of things. Also, Noah. No, that guy's weird. Have you seen his tweets?
Oh, the Noah sentence.
Yeah. Crying until you fall asleep is greater than never crying until you fall asleep. Your parents are not the gods you once thought they were, and thank God for that, because if they were, you never forgive them for their wrongdoings.
What?
So we are at Sweet Moments right now. Soy's at work. She's the plug. Soy's a food plug.
This is a watermelon bingsu. This is the cold brew with chocolate, and this is the iced milk tea with Thai topping. I'm a food blogger. And this is the matcha strawberry waffle.
I'm eating. I'm eating. I'm eating. I'm eating. I'm eating.
Ah.
Alright, we killed it. I'm scared.
Wait, 1,
Oh my god.
Are you okay? Dude, you need to fucking stop doing that. So I just got ice cream because I had really bad ice cream craving. No one wanted to get it with me, so I got rolled ice cream, Oreo flavored, with strawberries and blueberries. It tastes like straight milk, so that's cool, I guess, because I did not take Lactaid. But right now we're still in Chinatown. We're about to go to Nightmare. What are we going to? Nightmare Museum Fuel? Yeah, apparently it's scary, so that's really
My other friend wouldn't come with us because she said I would pee in my pants.
Excuse me? We've been waiting outside for like half an hour and it's 50 degrees, which is cold. Dude, this low light is so good though, look.
Oh, I look really good. Edit that out.
Look who's back. Wait, look how cute.
It's a lavender latte.
Got iced matcha latte. We're at Remy Flowers and Coffee. This reminds me of communal coffee. I was thinking of a thing to say.
Ready? Mouth it. We're gonna do it. Hi everyone, this is Joyce. Today we're at Raku Udon.
Okay, that's so hard. How do you do it? Okay. Hi guys. So we're at Raku with all these. Look at all these vloggers. When one person holds out a camera, there's like
No, I was gonna have
like
what you were saying.
5. Oh.
Wait, Jess is really good at it. Good.
I'm just gonna try to talk really fast from now on so that Jess can't copy me and use my audio. She was gonna just grab my audio from my vlog and then put it over hers. You look like you're having a seizure with your hand.
Copyright claim it.
Copyright claim.
the audio.
Thank you, Joyce.
Demonetized.
Demonetized.
Hi guys, so we are now in La Colombe for coffee. Is this one iced oat? Thank you. Alright. First time drinking oat. No, the last time. Oh, that's so interesting. Do you like it? I can't tell. It's like so thick.
Yeah.
Hello.
Taste the coffee.
Dude, your beanie is so funny.
Why are you making? I got it.
No, I love it. Hello. Okay, so we just took an Uber or Lyft to
I think it was an Uber this time.
Javits Center. This is the actual
We're all
Gen
vlogging
Beauty
now. We're like
event. I have to be so bad. Dude, it was such a bumpy ride. My bladder was literally dying. I have to be so
and then we were
fucking
like
bad
talking
now.
about everything, and our Uber driver was just silent. And at the end, he was like, "Great conversation."
We had a good talk. I added honey and sugar to my oat milk and it actually tastes a lot better. So I think I'm just addicted to sugar.
It was like okay tasting, and then the sugar made it.
Dude, oat milk is so thick. Like it's mad thick. Look how pretty. Ooh. Ooh. So we finished eating dinner. Now we are at Target because I need to buy a suitcase so I can check my Bioderma in. Yes. Because I want to take with me back to Boston. So we're on the hunt for a suitcase.
I'm getting Airheads Experience candy sour.
I'm getting gummy worms and a suitcase. All right, you guys, the bag has been secured. Thank you. This current situation right now.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Look how small this room is. It's literally 5 people wide.
Hello.
Cozy.
We are back at the hotel.
Do we think this call this the fire hazard?
This is look how pretty it is though. The lights outside. I'm getting B-roll. You're doing great.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Oh my god. Behind the scenes. Jesus, this was terrifying. Look how pretty.
James,
You guys,
the blue part of gummy bears.
I bought gummy worms at Target, and then James dissects them. He eats the blue part, which is good, and then rips off whatever he doesn't like, reattaches it, and then gives it to me.
You can have this one.
Ew, that's so gross too.
That's literally.
He's a doctor.
That's.
I can't.
Abomination.
Thanks, James.
Thanks, James.
It is lab.
Yeah, because you already got tips.
They just tried to prank the pizza.
Okay, great. That was great.
The vodka pizza. What's vodka pizza? Whoa, why does it look like buffalo sauce?
James, what'd you order? Tell us what you ordered.
Vodka bacon mushroom pizza. Is that weird?
I didn't know he was at the door.
You need to pay attention to the communication. We were all in the bathroom.
Okay, so everyone left and went home because it's like 1 in the morning. But look what we found. Crystal left her hair.
She left a little piece of herself for us. Thank you, Crystal.
I don't know if I want it.
Each of us gets one exchange.
Maybe that's why she actually came back.
Maybe we can summon her and somebody get the candles.
Be the same.
What's up, butt fucks?
I can't.
Is that really what you say in your vlog?
Yeah, you didn't know that. Hi guys, I'm eating Swedish fish and I'm reading econ right now because I love academia. We're gonna go to bed soon, I think. We literally like did nothing for 3 hours. We're gonna watch a movie or summon a demon, but we didn't either.
Okay, let's
We
do it now.
scared. They tried to prank the Postmates. You have to send me that clip and you put it here. Otherwise it makes no sense. There's no context. Yeah, we're gonna go to a coffee festival tomorrow and then go to Gen Beauty. Jessica has her meet and greet at Tony Moly. So I'm super excited to meet her. I'm gonna wait in line. I'm gonna be first in line and I'm so excited to meet her.
I'm just kidding.
Honestly,
first 100 people made sure to go.
is it really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say goodnight because I forgot to yesterday. I will see you guys in the morning.
Eddie's good.
Good morning. It's so fucking bright. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. It's the last day of me being in New York. They're staying a little bit longer, but right now we're on our way to go to a coffee festival. Shout out to Soy for being the plug. We're gonna go get coffee. So it's basically a shit ton of coffee samples. So we're gonna get caffeinated, and then we're gonna go to genbeauty. Today is Jessica's meet and greet, so that's super exciting. Can't wait to meet her.
So make sure you come right now to genbeauty. Make sure you come and it's gonna be posted after.
This video's gonna be posted like 8 months later.
Coming next genbeauty. Jessica there. She's gonna be at all the genbeauties doing a meetup, so good luck.
Today's my last day, so I'm so sad. I literally have to go to the airport in like 6 hours. Jess is all orange today. For like 3 years. She can.
Public desire.
We're here. Time to get caffeinated.
Obviously qualified to do this.
We are super qualified.
Coffee cup one. Coffee cup one.
It's like BeautyCon or genbeauty, but for coffee.
That's balanced. More watermelon.
Oh.
You can smell the strawberries. So
I feel like it's not gonna be sweet.
Definitely not. It's black coffee, bro. That shit bitter.
I thought he meant like we were in 7th place for the raffle or something. I was like, 7th place for a raffle? I was like, okay, like, we're gonna go.
First person to...
Why are you mocking armies? Oh my gosh. If you're army, make sure to subscribe. Leave Soy some hate down below.
If you're an army, list your bias below. Mine's RM, not Rapmon. RM.
Day 2, genbeauty.
Why not? Stop. These are my titties.
Jessica's
my eyes are up here.
We are back in the green room. I give up. I'm literally, my feet are like, there's like a stabbing pain. Like I love these so much. I'm literally in so much pain right now. Like I consider taking Advil.
This carpet is so soft.
Alright, I'm saying bye to these hoes. See you.
So annoying. I hate myself. If you need anything.
Yo, you're going. Okay. Bye. I will.
I've been thinking about I've been thinking about you.